Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to Control Alt Life with Vandana, a place where you hit control to take control of your lives, alt for an alternative perspective, and life to cherish every moment that this journey has to offer to us. Today's video is for all my amazing students or anyone who is taking their first step into this exciting world of coding. If you ever felt overwhelmed, thinking where to start, how to practice coding in this fast-paced tech world, don't worry, I've got you covered. So let's dive in. First, let's talk about why coding is such a powerful skill. Well, coding is not just about becoming a software developer. It's all about learning how to solve complex problems, think logically, and create something amazing out of nothing at all. Plus, technology driving almost every industry, coding opens up endless career opportunities. So how do you start your coding journey? Here's a step-by-step plan which might help you. First, pick up your programming language. Start with beginner-friendly languages like Java or Python. They're easy to learn and widely used. Second, understand your basics. Start with these basic concepts like variables, loops, conditionals, and functions. They may seem different with the varying syntaxes of the different programming languages, but the underlying concept remains the same. So don't rush, take your time, understand these concepts thoroughly, and build a strong foundation for your coding journey. Third, use the resources. There are many websites like Free Code Camp, Khan Academy, or even your YouTube. It's filled with beginner-friendly tutorials that help you to get started with. Now here's the golden rule. Don't just get stuck with the theory. Coding is a skill which you will learn by doing. So once you have grasped all the basic concepts, it's now time to practice. But if you're wondering how and where, here are a few resources which might help you. You can get started by using the online coding platforms. There are several online coding platforms available like the HackerEarth, LeetCode, or the Codewars. All these platforms are tailored with the coding challenges designed specifically for the beginners. You can start small and build your way up. Secondly, start building your own mini projects. You can start by creating small projects like the calculator, a to-do list, or even a simple game. Working on these small projects will give you an exposure on how coding works in the real life. You can also learn and collaborate. Join the communities like GitHub, Reddit, or even your local meetups. Learning with others makes this journey more fun and productive. You might be wondering what are the tools that I need? Here are some for you to get started with. So use tools like Visual Studio Code or the Sublime Text editors for getting started with writing your codes. There are online compilers available like the Replit or the CodePen, which allows you to start coding directly from your browser. But remember to always refer to the original documentation of the programming language that you are learning. It's your ultimate guide. In today's world, coding is evolving faster than ever. So stay updated with the current trends like web development. Start learning the basics of HTML, CSS and JavaScript. AI and machine learning, they have become an irreplaceable part of today's world. Start deep diving into Python libraries like TensorFlow, which helps you stay updated with the current trends. And app development. Start exploring the concepts like React Native or Flutter, which helps you get deep dive into this concept. Start with one area that excites you and gradually expand your knowledge. Remember, coding is a journey. Never compare your chapter 1 with someone else's chapter 20. Just be consistent, curious and patient. You've got this, my friend. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share it with your friends and subscribe. Also, let me know in the comments below what your goals are. Until then, keep hustling, keep learning and stay inspired. Lots of love.